So how can you check if the iPhone has been just used or if it's bought as a refurbished device? So let me explain it in this video. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it all comes down to the model number prefix. So as you know, the device, every single iPhone has its own model number, and you can check it out inside of the settings by going to the general section and tapping on the about. And there you can obviously find out about all of the different things about the phone, right? So you can see it right here. But there is the model number, which you can click on. It's going to turn into A in 4 letters. But if you tap on it, it switches to the very long one. And it all comes down, as I said, to the first letter of the model number. So if it starts with an M, then it's a new device, right? Bought is a brand new one regularly in some authorized place. But if it starts with an F, then it means that it's been refurbished. And there are even more things, like if it starts with a P, then it means that it's a personalized device. And then within N, it might start with an N. It goes for the replacement device. So this is what you need to know about it. It's pretty much just that. So this is a very quick way to find out about it. And in this section, you should also know that if anything has been replaced on the phone, like the screen, for example, it should display right here. As you can see in my case, the phone repair history is also part of the about section. So that's it for me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. But for now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you later.